Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I am doing my first battle of cases on my channel ever. But before I get into this battle, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I am doing my first case battle on my channel for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. I have never done this before, but we're going to definitely give it a try. In today's video, I have two minimalistic cases. I have the Pitaka MagEZ Case 4 for your S24 Ultra, and I'm going to put it against the BENKS MagClap Armor Air case for your S24 Ultra. So they're both very minimalistic. They are both, you know, one's Aramid Fiber and then one, what is Kevlar fiber, or let's see which, I forgot which one this is. It's built with Dupont Kevlar fiber. So we're definitely going to put them together. We might check out, you know, what kind of camera protection you get, the overall fit. Does it give you protection overall if you drop it? Just the overall feel of it. I don't know. We're just going to have some fun in this video. I need to give a shout out to Phone Tech at Work, Mr. Alan Anthony. He has been doing these battles for a while now. He's probably one of the first ones that started it. So give him a big shout out. Go follow him on his channel. He's doing great stuff over there too. I'm going to follow in his footsteps to make it just as good. But that's enough of me yapping. Here's a presentation from both companies. Y'all let me know who wins the presentation wise. I'm going to start off with the Pitaka first. They sent me out the one in sunset, but they also have it in multiple colors. Here's black and gray. But for the video, I want to do the sunset. I love the color of the sunset case here. And it comes with some packaging. It comes with how to remove it. I do like how they have this little opening here. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. So here's this case here. I like the camera cutouts. It has a little brand in there, Pitaka. This is the Aramid Fiber one. I mean, just look at it. It looks beautiful. So here's the BENKS MagClap or MagClap Armor Air case. It is very similar to the Pitaka, so that's why I'm putting them together. So which one has the better cutout? I like the precise cutouts for, you know, the camera cutouts there. But it feels like the same. Look at the size over here. So you get a little bit more protection with the BENKS case there. You can tell how much more that goes up on the sides. I think the same thing on this side too. This case goes up a little bit higher than the Pitaka case. But the cutouts for the power button and vinyl rockers are the same, so there's no difference there. At the bottom, it looks like the speaker hole is bigger on the Pitaka case there. The pen opening looks the same. And they both have MagSafe on there too, so let's start out with the Pitaka case here. So you get camera protection. Yes, you get some. With the front, you do not get any really lip action. So please put a screen protector on your phone. You can see how much of the phone is exposed with this case on the sides, on both sides. So this is really like you have a skin on your phone. Same thing at the bottom. Everything lines up though. The pen is easy to get out too. So no issues with the pen. I mean, I love the look of this. I love the precise cutouts though. And I love the color combination on here. But again, no protection really on the sides. But I mean, it feels good in the hands. You get some grip because you have the material on the back. How strong is the magnet? Let's check that out too. And it's pretty strong. Is it the strongest? Probably not, but I can pick it up. Like, watch, let's see. I can pick it up. So it passes that test. The one thing that this case will do, it actually comes off a lot easier than the Benks case. So when you're trying to get this one off, you can get it off pretty easy. The Benks, it's on there. It stays on there pretty well. So here are the cases side by side again. I mean, I love the fiber look. Minimalistic cases are becoming very popular too. So I don't know, y'all pick one. Let's see how this one looks on the phone. The first thing I noticed, I wish that they did the precise cutouts like the Pitaka, but you can tell this one has more protection on the sides. You can see how much more that goes up. You get the same type of protection on the bottom. This one is more precise for the speaker, but you have the same opening for the bottom there. And then again on this side, you have more protection of your beautiful titanium. You get this, the camera cutouts are about the same on each one as far as protection. You may have more on the Benks. The lip action is the same. There's no really lip action on this case either. The one thing to get this case off, it is not the easiest. So I don't know which one you want to prefer. Do you like your case to come off easier or not? I know with the Pitaka, it was pretty simple to get off. Man, I just like doing this back and forth. Like, just look at that. But let's check out the magnet on this one. See, I think the magnet on the Benks is overall stronger too. Because I can pick it up and then this comes off of the charger, where on the Pitaka it doesn't. So I think the magnet is stronger on the Benks. Both pens work the same too. You can check out my full reviews on my channel. I have both full reviews on both of these cases. I don't know if you can go wrong with either case. This one has a little bit more protection. I love the design and color of this one. I love the camera cutouts. You know, so I don't think you can go wrong with either one, to be honest. I don't know. Do y'all have either one of these cases? Let's check out the price really quick. I'll be right back. I'm going to get the price on each one. All right, so the Pitaka is $69.99. And then the Benks is $39.99. I will have the links for both cases in the description if you want to pick up either one. I don't think you can go wrong with either one. Y'all let me know how this video went. Do y'all like these battles between both of these cases? If y'all have any other cases y'all want me to see battle, please leave that in the comments below also. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Fords Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.